So in this video, we're required to find the GCF. Don't forget, GCF is the same thing as HCF of this set of terms, okay? Now, for the first thing we need to do is to focus on the numbers. We need the prime factors of the numbers. Then after that, we can now, engage the definition. Don't forget, GCF is the product of the smallest power of the common prime factor. So let's find the prime factorization of 28. So 28 divided by 2 will give us 14. 14 divided by 2 will give us 7. 7 divided by 7, that is 1. So this implies that the prime factorization of 28 is 2 times 2 times 7. And that will give us 2 raised to the power 2 times 7. All right, then for 35. So we can't divide 35 by 2. The next number we can use for 35 is actually 5, right? So that's the next prime number. So 35 divided by 5, that is 7. 7 divided by 7, that is 1. So this implies that 35 is equal to 5 times 7. Then lastly, we have what? 42. So 42 divided by 2, that will give us 21. 21 can be divided by 2. We move on to 3. 21 divided by 3 will give us 7. 7 divided by 7, that is 1. So the prime factorization of 42 will be what? 2 times 3 times 7. So before I proceed, we need to understand that GCF is the product of the smallest power of the common prime factor. So what are the common prime factors here? There is 2 here. Do we have 2 here? No. So we can't pick 2. There is 7 here. Do we have 7 here? Do we have 7? Yes, we have 7 here. We have 7 here. We have 7 here. All right. So the prime, the common prime factors is what? 7. Then let's go to P. Now for P, so we can say, okay, let's put it this way. We can say that the GCF will now be 7, right? Then for P, this P cube, P square, P cube. So we pick P square. We are focusing on the smallest power. So that will be 7p squared. Then for Q, this is Q raised to power 4, this is Q raised to power 7, this is Q raised to power 6. So that's Q raised to power 4. That's the smallest power. Then R5, R4, R9. That is, we focus on R raised to the power of what? 4. All right. So I want to believe this video has helped someone. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching my video. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.